This is speed revision 5. If I explain you this again, so this is the place that you are going to make sure your basic or the fundamentals of mathematics. I mean, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, grade 6. Nothing. So those are the fundamentals of mathematics. So you need to gear up, right? You need to gear up yourself. So most of you guys are like lack of the fundamentals, right? Most of you guys are lack of the fundamentals, so you guys are missing the basics, so that you cannot approach for a solution, right? When you are doing a particular questions. So this is the place that you can perfectly figure those out, perfectly understand the mathematical concept, and this is a place that you can identify your weak points, right? So let's focus on this and do this, right? So you have to write down the question that I am giving in the speed revision book. For a mixed questions and speed revision it would be like don't use that. In your exams, you will not receive papers. හරිද අර පත මේ මොනවද ක්විස් කැප් කළා වගේම දෙන්න. So CR book is perfect. මට ඒක මුලදී කියන්න බැරුණා හරි. So මේ after you finishing this book, if you are using අර කොට rule book එකක් use කරන්නේ, right? So square book එකක් you might go for a CR book after ending that book. ඔයාගේ පොත ඉවර වුණාම move වෙන්න square CR book එක. So that would be perfect for your notebook as well as for your speed revision book and mixed exercise plus. Right? Okay. So for the first question, I will give you something like yes, something like this. Let's say pattern, right? Easy one. 5x divided by 3y plus 2 plus 2 divided by 3y plus 2 minus 3y divided by 3y plus 2. Do this one. Second one, 4x minus 7, 3x plus 2. Expressed as a binomial expression. Trinomial expression. Third one. Simplified. Right, simplify this. Make x as the subject. Find find the value of AC minus C divided by B plus 2 when A equals 3, comma B equals minus 2, C equals 4. Right. Do this fast. Make a If you already finished doing, please let me know. Right? You can send me D to the chat if you have already finished. Right? With the fast speed. Right? Right? And do it quick. And if you do not know how to give any answer, right? Don't waste your time on that. Skip it and go to the next one. Right? පොඩ්ඩක් කල්පනා කරන්න. හරිද? අඩේ බලපෑම දැක්කුණා නම් දඩස් කරලා දාන්න යන්න එපා. right? පොඩ්ඩක් කල්පනා කරන්න ඒත් එන්නේ නැත්තම් චුට්ටක් හිර වෙලා වගේ නම් go to the next one. So on and so forth. You have to continue. Correct? පැහැදිලිව ලියා ගන්න. Right? Right. I will give you another 2 minutes. මම තව විනාඩි දෙකක් දෙන්නම්. I will give you another 2 minutes. Do it fast. Right. Okay, Udit. Now look at what I am going to discuss. Right. Right. So how to do this? Take over again. How you are going to do this one? Right. So the thing that you are going to do here. So this is a fraction, right? So fraction. So normally when you are adding or subtracting fractions, right? You need to consider only one thing. Right? The one thing is you need to make sure that you have equal denominators. So by looking at this, right? All the denominators are equal, right? So nothing to worry about. So the common denominator is 3y plus 2. 3y plus 2. You can directly write down the answer by looking at this. 5x plus 2 minus 3y. Nothing to worry, right? Very simple one. Normally, if you follow the standard way, right? This is 3y plus 2. Standard way. Normally, you are writing these single numbers at the end of the expression, and you are taking all the algebraic terms to the front of it. Right? This is plus 2. Right? 5x minus 3y plus 2. Right? Right. So this is the standard way, but if you keep your answer like this is also correct. Both of them are correct, but this is the way that you need to practice. Right? Right. So here you have two brackets, two expressions to solve and find the answer as a trinomial expression. So basically you need to remove brackets. That's what they are telling. So I will write this 4x minus 7, right? 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. 4x minus 7, 3x plus 2. Right? Right. Now, here you have two terms, here you have two terms. And if you consider about the signs, 4x is positive. You already know that. 7 is minus, okay. 3x is positive, okay. And 2 yes positive. Doesn't matter. Only matter here. Right? Right. First of all, I am going to simplify this term and this term. Right? First of all, I will simplify the signs. Positive into positive, positive. I am not going to put 4 times 3, 12. X into x, x squared. Right? Then I am going to simplify these two terms. Right? Positive into positive, positive. 4 times 2, 8, and here you have x. 8x. Right? Then here you have minus, right? Minus into positive. Minus 7 times 3, 21. 21 plus x. 21 times x. And again, this one and this one. First sign, minus into positive, minus 7 into 2, 14. Right? So this is 12x squared. There is no any other like terms, x squared terms. You cannot find it out, any x squared terms, except this. But when it comes to here, these two terms, this is like apple level, right? X. Alright. So this is positive 8. This is negative 21. So big brother is 21. Get the subtraction 21 minus 8. It will give you like 13, right? How we are going to put the sign? Who is the ayah? 21 is the ayah. Ayah sign is negative. Right? Mali is positive. So negative 13. So you will get negative 13x, right? Minus 14. Right. So this is the trinomial expression if you simplified it correctly. This one, simplify. Mixed number, mixed number, mixed number. Right? Three mixed numbers. Before you are going to simplify this one, mixed numbers should be converted into improper fractions. Or there are two ways. Or else you can simplify these whole number parts as well first, right? 3 minus 2, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So the whole number part would be 2. Then you can later simplify this fraction, and that fraction. Right? So that is one of the ways that you can do. But I will convert these things into improper fractions first. Right? So this one equal mark. The denominator is 8. 8 times 3, 24. 24 plus 3 means 27. Minus denominator is 4. 4 times 8. 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Here you have the denominator 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Right? So now 8, 4, 2. 3 different denominators. So you need to make sure that you have a common denominator. By looking at this, you know 8 is a multiple of 2, 8 is a multiple of 4. So that your common denominator definitely would be 8 because you can convert 4 into 8, 2 into 8. And normally you are going to find the LCM, right? And I will let you know how to find the LCM if you forget 8, 4, 2. By using the prime factors, you have to divide until you get 1, 1, 1 at the end. 2 times 4, 2 times 2, 1. Again, you can divide this by 2. 2 times 2, 2 times 1. Then again 2. 1, 1, 1. Right? 2, 2, 2. So multiply them together. LCM. Right? 2 times 2 times 2. 8. Right? Equal. So 8 is the common denominator. 8 is the common denominator. So here you have 8. How many 8s are there for 8? I am using my my way. I mean, not the traditional way. The thing that I told you earlier in the perimeter lesson. How many 8s are there for 8? 1. 1 times 27. 27. Minus. Here you have 4. How many 4s are there for 8? 2. 2 times 9. 18. Make a partial AC only. Here you have 2. How many 2s are there for 8? How many 2s are there for 8? 4. 4 times numerator, 4 times 3, 12. Right? Right. This 27 is positive and positive 12 is also here. 27 plus 12. Right? 27 plus 12. It will give you 39. 39 minus 80. 39 minus 80. 39 minus 80. So it will give you 121. 21 divided by 8. So if you want to convert this improper fraction into a mixed number, right? So the denominator will be 8. Right? 21 divided by 8. How many 8s are there for 21? Exactly 2, right? So the whole number part is 2. 8 times 2, 16. What is the rest? 21 minus 16, 5, right? Then 16 plus 5, 21. 21 divided by 8. Right? X plus 2y equals 2 upon 3 minus 2x. Make x as the subject. So here you have x, here you have x. Right? So in both places you have x. Now, and you need to take those x's into one single place. So here you have x and here you have minus 2x. And if you take this to this side, it will automatically convert into positive 2x, right? And here you have plus 2y, and also you need to remove that from this side also. You can take it to this side as well. Correct? So across you can do this by using single step or using traditional methods. Correct? So I will do this in a single step. Minus 2x comes this side. At the same time, I will take this positive 2y to this side. Positive 2y becomes negative 2y when it goes to the other side. Right? Here you have x. Minus 2x comes this side. Positive 2x. Right? Equals 2 upon 3. You have to write it as it is. Right? It does not change. Positive 2y goes to this side. Minus 2y. Right? Now you have x in a single place. X plus 2x, 3x. 3x equals 2 upon 3 minus 2. Right? So make x as the subject. You have to divide both sides by 3. Right? So that means 3 is in the numerator on the left hand side. When it goes to the other side, it goes to the opposite side. Numerator things goes to the denominator of the other side. Now this is an expression. Make expression nega. Keep that in your mind. So x equals, right? So this is something like an expression 2, 3 minus 2y. Because of this is an expression, you have to use brackets. Right? This 3 comes to the denominator of this side. That means 1 upon 3. Right? 1 upon 3. Right? This is the answer for this. X equals this. If you want, you can simplify this. Right? 2 upon 3 minus 2y. You know how to simplify, yeah? 2 minus 6y divided by 3. After that, okay, I will do that also. Right. Now, if you cannot understand this, I will show you this. Right? I think you guys can understand this one, but so here you have 3x equals now 2 upon 3 minus 2y. Common denominator is 3, eh? Fraction plus or minus a number, eh? So 2 here minus 3 times 2, 6. That means 6. Right? So now you can take this 3 into the denominator easily. And the previous method is also correct. Right? So same answer you will get. Right? So x equals 2 minus 6y divided by, here you have 3 and this 3 comes to the denominator as well. So the final answer would be minus 6y plus 2 divided by 3 times 3, 9. Right? This is the standard way that you can keep the answer. This is also correct. Right? If you change these two terms, that's also correct. 2 minus 6y, that's okay. 2 minus 6y divided by 9. Or else, exchange the terms minus 6y plus 2. Right? That's correct. So this one is also okay. So that is an expression AC minus C divided by B plus 2. You have to substitute these given values. You have to substitute these given values and find the value of that expression. Huh? So you have to substitute A equals 3, B equals minus 2 and C equals 4. Right. So this is my expression. Right. First of all, put equal mark. Thank you. I have just made a mistake. C is 4 හරි යෝ කලින් ගන්න බෑ හරිද a equals 3 times c equals 4 හරි so c here is also c4 right divide by b minus 2 right then plus 2 හරි මේ sorry මට ඒක අමතක වුණා හරි මට මෙතන තිබ්බි minus 2 වගේ b දැම්මා ඩක් ගාලා සුළු කරලා right so පුතා මේ here you have 12 negative divide by negative means positive right 2 times 1 2 times 2 so you have plus 2 here and also plus 2 here right 12 plus 2 and plus 2 means 16 right? So that is it that okay hope any other problems මොනවද තියෙනවා
No, sir, that's it.
okay ඒ වගේ දැක්කම පුතානේ කලින් කියන්න හොඳේ මේ